students, how are you? Today I am again going to take your next class of division, that is chapter 5, and your subject is mental math. Okay, in the previous class I have just discussed about the exercise 1 and 2. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise 3. Here the question number 1 is do the following divisions. So here some divisions are there. So let's start. So just 63 divided by 7. So you have to write like this. This is given in your book. See, I am just going to solve few sums. Rest you can do yourself. So just remind the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 40. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. So here you can write the 7 9 is 63, and 63 minus 63 it will be 0, like this. Then again the question number B, that is 72 divided by 8. So you have to just again remind the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72. Here 8 9 is 72. Like this way you can do 72 minus 72, 0. So 0 is your remainder and 9 is your question. Then if to show you can I just want to show you, this is your question and remainder is 0. Then if 65 divided by 5, we just again memorize the table of 5. 5 1 is 5. So here 2 digit numbers are here. 6 is greater than 5. So you can easily write 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, and just put it down 15. Now you just remember the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So I want to tell you one thing. If the digit number and if the first digit is greater than this is the dividend, then you can easily multiply like this. Okay, because in 5 tables you will not get the number 65. So you can just divide it 1 by 1. Means first tens place, then ones place. Then this is the 75 divided by 3. We just count the table of 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. Here 3 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Again it will come down. Then 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. Then Q. Just 4, remember the table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. That means it will not go with the 4 2 is, so you have to write 4 1 is 4. Because here we have to write the smaller digit number. Then 4 divided by 6, you can write 2, and it will become down 54. Again 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. This will be 0. Like this way you can do. Then here the T. Just count the table of 9. 9 1 is 9. As it is this number is smaller than the 9. So we have to divide the two digit number. We will not able to divide the only tens place. So just count the table of 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 is 27. 9 4 is 36. 9 5 is 45. 9 6 is 54. 9 7 is 63. So you can write here 9 7 is 63. 63 minus 63 it will be 0. To like this way you have to so many sums are there. You can do rest sums yourself. Again the exercise 4. Here divide and find the quotient and remainder. Actually this one is the same, but here you have to find the quotient and the remainder both. So first you can write, here you can again see the 2-digit numbers are there, and it will be 65 is divided with the 7. So we have to just find the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, and 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56 and 7 9 is 63. So we can write 7 9 is 63. Here 5 minus 3 is 2 and 6 minus is 0. So you can write here quotient is 9 and remainder 2. Then here again the number A is already done in your book, the C your book. So I just going to show you the B and C. 39 divided by 7. So we can remember the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. So 7 5 is 35. Because we have to write here the smaller number than the upper number. Here the upper number is 39. Okay, so we have to write here the smaller number. So 7 5 is 35. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Remember. Just remind the table of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. So we have to write the 9 5 is 45 because 45 is smaller number than the 48. So then 9 5 is 45 minus 8 minus 5, 3. So here we can write quotient then remind the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28 and 4 8 is 32. So we have to write the 4 7 is 28 because 28 is smaller than the 30. So just a minus 2, then it will be 0. And remainder 2. Our next exercise is exercise 5. Here it is given, so we have to tick the correct option. So I am just show you the 2 problems. I will show you the rest. You have to do yourself. 63 divided by 8 leaves a remainder, no remainder, 8 as question. So first we are going to show you. First to see that it will be remainder or no remainder or 8 as question. Just 8. You can do it in rough form. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. So we have to write 8 7 is 56 minus and 7. Right here. So what will be the answer? A remainder, no remainder, yes, it has remainder. can write tick, put tick here. Okay, yes, it has remainder 7, but it is no remainder, that means it is wrong, and 8 is question. No, 7 is question. Showing it this way when you have to tick mark here. Then this one 55 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, and 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54. So here you will write 6 9 is 54, 1. So here the quotient is 9, remainder is 0. No, this is not right. Then quotient is 9 and remainder is 1. So we have to put tick mark here. So like this way you can do these sums. Okay. Hope all of you understand. The rest portion you have to do yourself. Today I just finished my class. Thank you.